guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. It's your ghetto girl at it again. So this is my first video of 2026, and as we say, this year we are gonna do everything and anything shamelessly. So don't mind my hair. Am I having a bad hair day? No. Did I make bad decisions? No. I did cut my hair, yes, but it's growing rapidly and I don't know how to handle it. So yes, I'm going I'm going wherever I'm going looking this shaggy. So anyways, what I'm doing today is kind of very special to me, and that is I'm going shopping for my sister who is joining grade 10, which is equivalent to high school or senior school. So what I want to do today is I'm going to look for a jumper for her because they need a red jumper, and we have a debate in the house because they wrote ulala, and growing up my mom used to call jumpers ulala. So when my mom asked me like what is ulala, I'm like, Mama, but you used to tell me ulala or urala or whatever is a jumper. So for me, I'm like, you know what, that's what I'm gonna buy, right? And we have like 50 or 60 items on the list that we are gonna do tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, because she has to join school in like the next 3 days, and the school is like very far away. So that said, I think I don't know as a big sister, it's like deja vu, and also like very kinda, I didn't know it's gonna be a bit traumatizing for me. It's kinda arising some traumas I didn't know I had, especially since I've been in boarding school all my life. That's what I tell people, because I went to boarding school at 10 until I was 18. So I don't know how to feel about this. My sister has never been to boarding school, so I don't know, it's emotional for me. I'm happy because I'm like, I'm gonna work so hard. The time like she's in high school, she's gonna motivate me to work so hard because I want to give her the best high school experience. You know, for me, I didn't have anyone to do that for me, but if I can do that for her, I'm gonna heal the inner child in me as well. So this year, if you see me doing anything, if you munipate kwa mjengo, you find me cleaning people's clothes, you find me, let me be, all right? And anyways, this video is not about me, it's about my sister. So I just want to go shopping. So this is day 1 of shopping, so I'm gonna look for what I told you guys, and also like some red socks, which is weird, like finding like things specified in colors. My small sister wanted to know what I'm doing. And if you hear a lot of background noise, guys, I'm from the ghetto. Okay, anyways, so let me get going because I have a lot of places to kind of find what I'm looking for. I don't have a specific place, so I'm gonna do a lot of walking. So let's walk. Yeah, and the journey begins, the journey to high school. I'm shy, guys, I'm shy, but this is the only way. I hope my confidence improves over time, but it's a work in progress. But I just hope it improves over time because, baby. Hey. Hi. I met my friend and I'm just seated here waiting for her. She's gonna take me to a place she knows. Ati? Mi hata sina kwangu. Nikipata kwangu nitakuwa na kupromote. Nyanya 3 shilingi.
Hauna kwako?
Na kwangu.
Kwani hao watu wanaangalianga watu na vile uko fine, thank you.
Ati?
Na vile uko fine, thank you. Bye. Hadi nimekaa chini nisikia nipokee hiyo habari.
Yaani nakaa chini badili uzungushe.
Hadi nipokee hiyo habari juu inanishangaza. Wanataka nini?
Hebu wauliza wanataka.
Zaidi ya urembo wanataka nini?
Mimi sijui.
Hao lazima wakuwa wameroga. Tafuta nikiwa na nafasi tuongee.
Nitafute.
Naona umeweka pesa za nyanya vizuri.
Ndakula stock.
Utakula tu kwa stove hata mwezi.
Wala.
Hapo kwa profit tu. Kama profit hautamaliza stove utapikia nini?
So nikule profits peke yake.
Utakula profit hadi watane na.
Nyanya 3 shilingi 10.
Yeah.
You know, life is affordable in the ghetto.
Sasa nyanya 3.
Because maisha ya ghetto ni very affordable at times. Ati moja si ghetto. Uko na ni slum. Ni ghetto. Umoja as long as you live in Umoja. You live in the ghetto. Anyways, I'm waiting for my friend. She knows someone who knows Umoja ni ghetto. She knows someone who has what I'm looking for, so I'm waiting for her. And then we're gonna go, and I hope I'm gonna get what I'm looking for so that I don't have to walk a lot. Umoja ni ghetto.
Jesus. Jehovah wanyoni.
Those are the sounds of the ghetto. Anyway, if you know that, if you also feel like Umoja is not ghetto, I don't know. Sounds of the ghetto. Sasa hiyo ni nganya. Sasa ndo manganya mngeka issue speed. Anywho, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for my friend, and then we go. The solar today, oh my gosh, I think it's about 26 to 28 degrees outside. It's so hot, my god. Yeah, so let's wait for Faith so that we can tuende tukienda and choose some things. I hope I do find, because if I do find, that will really make my day. Watu wa Mkorogo mna survive aje na hii jua, because it's rough out here. Anyways, I wanted to say something. If you have a grade 9er going to grade 10, give them some grace, because things are so expensive.
How is it that when I call you with the
Things are so expensive, so give them some grace. So let's keep going. That's moja. So we are first going to go to Think Twice, and this is not Think Twice Gold. Think Twice Gold is for the rich people. In the ghetto we have only Think Twice. So tuangalia Think Twice, and then tuangalia kwa mitumba zingine. So twende. Think Twice. Everything today is 50 bob. Kila kitu leo ni 50. Everything at 50 bob. That's so pretty. Everything at 50 bob. What? They look so good. Hey, this is nice. Wow. Everything at 50. And this for my sister. I'm not supposed to be shopping for her, but this is too cute to leave, and it's only 50 bob. Plus, okay, let me put it here first. Like dresses, interesting dresses. Everything is just so cute, so pretty. What? I love thrifting. At only 50 bob, guys, this is so worth it. Oh my gosh, this is also so pretty. Wow. Imagine, kila kitu 50 bob, chwani. This is like, in dollars 50 bob ni kama ngapi? Newborn. Ni kama, I don't know, less than 50 cents. Less than, karembo. Less than 50 cents. Wow. I mean, I want to be like daddy. Personally, I don't. But your kid can be like their father. And everything is like H&M, Zara, divided or whatever you call it. You know, oh my gosh. Like, I know, nani akona baby shower, tukuje na mtumba. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. If you want somebody to run errands for you, try call us. Hey, what Twitter. Very, very newborn. My gosh. You're so pretty. Damn. What? Oh my gosh. What? Guys, this is Think Twice Umoja. And all these for just like cents, right? Find what we are looking for, but we found some really good cash. So we proceed. Next stop, no idea. Next stop, Europe. Oh. Nigeto, I know. Stop after Think Twice.
Then come here.
Then we yeah, so let's go. So tunaenda Durapoa. The good thing with living in the ghetto is that everything wanatuletanga cheap. And guys, this is me trying to build my confidence. Nasikia kuanguka. I feel like everybody is judging me. But Durapoa. Price. Okay, they've not moved the price. And if you want jackets, come to Durapoa. They always have like the best collection of men's jackets. I left this one last time. Nabado iko. The quality of the trousers is also very nice. The wedding. They're really nice actually. And they are very wide. I know the camera is not doing them justice. I'm recording on my phone. Okay, these ones are very not nice. But nani akona harusi? Yeah, wedding dresses. It's really nice. And it's clean. Kuna ingine huku. This is unique. And it's very glittery. Kuna zingine hapa. Watu wa content. Oneni nguo za content creation. Mina plug to inaita Durapoa. Again, it's an Umoja. They also have nighty dresses. They have nighties. They have night dresses. Oh, I already found. I'll show you guys. Nimepata nayo. Nimepata kenye nilikuwa natafuta. So that's the maximum price of today, Durapoa. Yeah, it's really nice. It's red, it's plain.
Shika hapa. Unajua tumekuja hizi manguo baada ya kuacha.
Hivi tumenunua huko mbali. That's how it looks on Faye. Oh, mind kwa camera?
No.
That's Faye, y'all. That's my friend, my best friend.
Yeah, alafu kuna matelefoni.
Ndio tena at least mikono si ile free shika. Yeah, that's a steal. So bye. Small mission is accomplished. Tumepata jumper and a few extras. So the rest I think we will do tomorrow, God willing. But natuma hungry. Nakwambia ukishigeto unaonanga tu vitu mapochopocho. You know? Yeah, so anyways, that mission is accomplished, secured. Alafu by the way, you guys, kama mko na makazi hata za kuosha Airbnbs, kazi zozote tu tweetieni, me and my faith here involved. Zozote, sisi we are professional cleaners on my Airbnb, wanini cleaning za hao. Yeah, pesa hii mwaka lazima tutengeneze pesa guys, so lazima tutoke ghetto, so involve us, tweetieni makazi, msijali ni gani, don't worry, we will turn up. Especially watu mko na manyumba mnahitaji watu wa kuosha, watu wa Airbnb, call me and Faith, we will turn up. Anyways, I'll put my number in the description, so check out the description in case you have work for us. Tutakuja. Otherwise, let's go have lunch and then we call it a day for today. Mambo. So here is lunch. Tumefika. Tuko kwa business. Guys, mkuja mtu promote. Pia tunauza nguo ndio hizi hapa ni mingi. We also sell clothes, so come and promote us, promote Faith. Twitter, if you want to come to run errands, nini, we are here for you. Cleaning, we are here for you. Anyways, that's all for this video. We found what we were looking for. Another video will be uploaded tomorrow. We're going shopping now, the real shopping, on Thursday. Today's on Tuesday, so thank you so much for watching, and I wish all the grade 9ers going to grade 10 a very, very, very pleasant admission. And to the parents, I feel your pain. I know, and I know God is gonna fill the gap. Na kwenye pia they are not able to, I know God is gonna provide. So thank you so much for watching. This is me from the ghetto, and this is lunch in a slab. Bye.